Have you ever dreamed of witnessing a force of nature so powerful, so awe-inspiring, that it leaves you breathless? The Niagara Falls are a breathtaking spectacle of cascading water, promises an unforgettable experience. Situated on the US-Canada border, Niagara Falls, Ontario, beckons with its enchanting blend of natural wonders, thrilling adventures, and vibrant city life. Whether you are an adventure seeker or a romantic soul seeking breathtaking views, Niagara Falls has something special in store for you. We are here to take you on a step-by-step journey to unlock the magic of Niagara Falls. Crafting your Niagara Falls adventure, a step-by-step guide. Planning a trip to Niagara Falls is an exciting endeavor, and with a little organization, you can ensure a seamless and unforgettable experience. Step 1. Choosing your travel dates. Niagara Falls welcomes visitors year-round, each season offering a unique perspective on the fall's beauty. Summers bring warm weather and lush greenery, perfect for outdoor activities. Autumn transforms the landscape into a painter's palette of vibrant reds, oranges, and yellows, creating a picturesque backdrop for your adventures. Step 2 is determining your length of stay. Decide how long you'll need to immerse yourself in the magic of Niagara Falls fully. A long weekend, 3 to 4 days, allows ample time to experience the main attractions, while a week-long stay provides the opportunity to delve deeper into the region's hidden gems and embark on day trips to nearby towns. Stay until the end of this video to find out what are the must-visit items in the list. Step 3 is selecting your accommodation. Niagara Falls offers a wide range of accommodations to suit every budget and preference. From luxurious hotels with breathtaking falls views to cozy bed and breakfasts radiating charm, you'll find the perfect home away from home. But before we continue to unveil Niagara's treasures, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Prepare to be captivated by the sheer splendor of Niagara Falls' iconic attractions. Number 1 is Journey Behind the Falls. Descend deep into the bedrock and venture behind the cascading sheet of water at Journey Behind the Falls. Feel the thunderous roar vibrating through your very being as you witness the raw power of nature from a unique perspective. Second, Niagara City Cruises. Experience the exhilaration of cruising towards the base of the falls on a Niagara City Cruises boat tour. Feel the mist on your face and hear the roar of the water as you get up close and personal with this natural wonder. In third place, the Skylon Tower. Ascend 775 feet above the Niagara Gorge to the Skylon Tower's observation deck, offering breathtaking panoramic views of Niagara Falls, the surrounding cityscape, and the lush Niagara wine region. Fourth, Whitewater Walk. Embark on a thrilling walk along a boardwalk at the edge of the Niagara Gorge, where the rapids of the Niagara River surge and crash. And fifth, the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens. Escape the hustle and bustle of the city and find tranquility amidst the beauty of the Niagara Park's Botanical Gardens. These must-see marvels offer a glimpse into the diverse experiences that await in Niagara Falls. Now it's the turn of the activities galore to embrace Niagara's adventures. Beyond its breathtaking natural wonders, Niagara Falls offers a plethora of activities to satisfy every adventure level, from mild to wild. First, it's the Whirlpool Aero Car. Soar above the Niagara Whirlpool, a swirling vortex of water at the end of the rapids, on the Whirlpool Aero Car. Second, ziplining. Experience the exhilaration of flying through the air on a zipline adventure across the Niagara Gorge. Third, the Niagara Glen Nature Center. Lace up your hiking boots and embark on an adventure through the Niagara Glen Nature Center. In fourth place, it's cycling along the Niagara River Recreation Trail. Rent a bike and explore the Niagara River Recreation Trail, a scenic paved pathway winding its way along the Niagara River. Fifth, Clifton Hill. For a lively atmosphere and entertainment, head to Clifton Hill, Niagara Falls Entertainment District. Experience the thrill of amusement park rides, test your skills at mini golf, explore haunted houses, or indulge in some souvenir shopping. Whether you seek adrenaline-pumping adventures or prefer a more laid-back approach to exploring the region, Niagara Falls has something for everyone. And the time has come for savoring Niagara's flavors. From casual bites with breathtaking views to fine dining experiences, Niagara Falls offers a diverse culinary scene to tantalize your taste buds. Falls View Dining. Indulge in a memorable dining experience with panoramic views of Niagara Falls at one of the many restaurants offering Falls View dining. Niagara Wine Route. Embark on a culinary journey along the Niagara Wine Route, home to award-winning wineries producing world-class ice wines and other varietals. Clifton Hill Eateries. For a casual dining experience with a lively ambiance, explore the many eateries along Clifton Hill. Sweet treats. Indulge your sweet tooth with Niagara Falls' irresistible treats. Picnic with a view. Pack a picnic basket filled with local goodies and find a scenic spot to enjoy a meal with a view. Queen Victoria Park offers stunning views of the falls and ample green space for a relaxing picnic. From fine dining to casual bites, Niagara Falls offers a culinary landscape as diverse and captivating as its natural wonders. So come hungry and prepare to tantalize your taste buds. And there's more beyond the falls. Let's unveil Niagara's hidden gems. While Niagara Falls undoubtedly steals the show, the surrounding region is brimming with hidden gems waiting to be discovered. Step back in time in the charming town of Niagara-on-the-Lake, renowned for its beautifully preserved 19th-century architecture, world-renowned wineries, and picturesque setting on the shores of Lake Ontario. History buffs will relish exploring Fort George National Historic Site, a War of 1812 historic site where you can witness reenactments, explore restored buildings, and learn about Canada's military past. Golf enthusiasts can tee off at the challenging yet scenic Niagara Whirlpool Golf Course, designed by renowned golf course architect Stanley Thompson. Escape to the tranquility of Balls Falls Conservation Area, home to two picturesque waterfalls cascading over the Niagara Escarpment, and delve into the region's rich history at the St. Catharines Museum and Welland Canal Centre. Beyond the roar of the falls lies a treasure trove of experiences waiting to be uncovered. And what about Niagara after dark? You have to experience its nighttime magic. As the sun sets and darkness descends, Niagara Falls transforms into a magical wonderland illuminated by a kaleidoscope of colors. Niagara Falls Illumination. Witness the falls aglow with a breathtaking display of colored lights during the nightly illumination. Embark on a falls fireworks cruise to experience the magic of fireworks over the falls with a nighttime cruise. Enjoy an evening of entertainment and Canadian culture at the O Canada A dinner show. Discover the mysteries and legends of Niagara Falls with a spooky nighttime walking tour. Try your luck at Casino Niagara, a vibrant entertainment complex offering a wide array of slot machines, table games, and entertainment options. Embrace the magic of the night and create unforgettable memories. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more travel inspiration. Thanks for watching.